If you're planning a trip to Italy and are looking for a stunning destination to explore, we recommend you look no further than the place we went today in this video, Cinque Terre, a breathtaking national park in the north of the country.
Cinque Terre is composed of 5 villages: Monterosso, Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola and Riomaggiore. Each village is unique in its own way, and we are very excited to show you our experience in this amazing paradise.
We are in in a train station.
So we're here to visit Cinque Terre, and now we're waiting in a line, which
it's not that big, it's alright.
to me it's a long line, but alright. Yeah, we're in the height of tourist season, so yeah, it's gonna be a decent line no matter what.
Airbnbs and hotels in the area seem to be rather expensive, so we decided to see if we could do the whole Cinque Terre experience in one day.
Alright, so what happened? Show us the tickets.
This is the 1 day ticket, like 1 day per person, it's like 18, 20. And you can use any bus, any train, and you can come in all of like little villages for like a whole day. All 5 villages for a whole day, and use as many train and bus as you want it. They have another for like 3 days, 2 days, a family packet and everything. But this for us because it's just like we're gonna come 1 day, and this is the easiest. We don't want to do the tracking one.
And it also has Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and they have a Wi-Fi. I don't think we have in the trains when they are walking and driving, but we have in the station. Any station we stop, we are able to get the Wi-Fi as well, which is very cool. And the train is like, it's pretty cool and comfortable.
Our plan was beginning our exploration in the furthest village, Monterosso, and then working our way down to the other 4 villages in a row. However, this is not a hard and fast rule. You can explore the villages in any order as you desire, but our choice was that. Monterosso is a beautiful town, and it's known for stunning beaches, crystal clear waters and colorful houses. You can enjoy various outdoor activities such as swimming, sunbathing and hiking along the breathtaking coastline. But for us, it just felt like another summer resort town with a lot of people around.
So actually, it looks like we might struggle because these are all beaches you got to pay to get on, and they're all evidently kind of full, so we'll see. And now it's time to move on to number 2 of the Cinque Terre.
Number 2 for us was the village of Vernazza. This place was known for its breathtaking views of the sea and its colourful historic buildings. The village history dates all the way back to the Middle Ages and has managed to preserve a lot of its charm to this day. Visitors can explore the narrow streets and alleys, visit local shops and restaurants, get some fresh water at any of the fountains throughout the village, or check out this cute little concrete pebbly beach thing, which is very unusual but also cool.
We had a lovely lunch at one of the local restaurants there, and the pizza was just delicious. And yes, there were a lot of people there because in the summertime I think this is gonna be very busy.
That's the pizzas. Oh Jesus! What's going on?
I don't know. We just saw a little cave, and a lot of people came in this cave and are curious.
So let's go.
And that's it.
This is going to be the first thing that Bee's mum's going to actually do.
But she's very brave. Watch out with this water.
This water is gross.
What do you think?
This place is full of surprises, huh?
Yeah.
Like there are people like staying there, like living. They're built huge buildings.
Just up there.
don't know if you can see it, but that's the first village that we're at. And that's amazing how it looks from here. To say that this beach isn't busy is just a lie, but it's definitely significantly less busy than the other beach. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Alright, so the plan to go to the beach was abandoned for pizza and just exploring a little bit. Now we're on to number 3, which will bring us to halfway. Corniglia.
Yeah.
So the next one is Corniglia. What's this one like?
You're gonna find out.
After you take a train to Corniglia, you can also use your 18-euro pass to get a shuttle which will guide you to the top. You can also reach the village by stairs. It's about 385 stairs, but for us was much more convenient and easy. Just get the shuttle and get there in 5 minutes.
Corniglia is the only of the 5 terres to not have direct access to the beach. But that does not make it a disappointment whatsoever. It is still amazing and colourful and romantic, just like the other villages, with a little bit more greenery throughout the village too.
This is the actually, right back there. This is the most uneventful one so far. Not because it isn't beautiful, it's just because the other 2 were amazing, and this one doesn't have a beach. We're now about to approach. I can now see the viewpoint. It might make up for that. It might actually be amazing. Let's go see.
Oh boy, do I feel stupid for calling this place uneventful. As I reached the end of the walkway, we were greeted with one of the most breathtaking views I've ever seen in my entire life.
So we had one that was on the beach.
Yeah.
Then we had one where you had to walk through the town to get to the beach. Then you had one where you had to get the bus. And now we're having to walk through a tunnel, a subway. We'll see what comes out the other side. I'm thinking it's going to be, what's the place called? Manarola.
We finally arrived in Manarola, which is my favorite of the 5 villages in the Cinque Terre. The village was built on a rock of 7 meters from the sea and has a small population with less of 1,000 people, but it's packed with charm and beauty.
Alright, so we didn't get our beach in the other place, or the other place, but we're going to get it here. 4th time's a charm.
We're excited.
Well, obviously it's not a beach, but we want to swim. Also because I've sweated a lot from all this bloody walking, which, to be fair, we haven't walked anywhere. I think if we had to come back here, we would walk a lot more. If you want to appreciate how beautiful this whole place is, you probably want to take more than a day and do some walking. Stay in one of the hostels nearby and just walk around, take some hikes and take in the views and go a little bit slower. We definitely prefer traveling slower, but this month is a fast travel through Europe, so we're only here for a day and we're gonna go swim.
The lack of an actual beach does not distract from the natural beauty of the village. Visitors can still enjoy the crystal clear waters by swimming, snorkeling and jump from the cliffs into a delicious and salty water.
Oh, that was very cool.
That was great. That was actually better than any beach that we could have gone
Yeah,
on,
definitely.
because you don't get sandy, and it was like extra salty water, so it's easy for you to float.
Yeah, it was very nice.
And we're like, look at that,
Yeah,
jeez.
this is great. Yeah.
We almost made the mistake of going, no, there's nothing further down there.
Yeah, I know.
Very happy that we stayed now. So wash up.
This one is, I think, is my favorite. Really.
Ah.
Yeah.
We will get the drone out for the last one, I think,
Yeah.
before we leave.
Yeah,
Get an ice cream. And then,
no, it's not ice cream. We're gonna get a gelato.
sorry. And then we'll I think that might soon, we might be closing and wrapping this up. The gelatos were the cherry on top of our stay in Manarola. We loved it here. We loved the fact that we could get a nice refreshing dip in the beautiful sea, leaving us rejuvenated to finish our day.
After a long day exploring all the villages, we finally get to Riomaggiore, our finally and last destination in the Cinque Terre. As the other villages, Riomaggiore is also impressive. Riomaggiore is definitely a place to stretch the legs and go for long walks. With a lot of cliffs and hills, you can see and explore so much out there. And also has the most amazing sunset from all of the villages.
What was your favourite place?
I think I'm between this and the last one.
The last, so 4 and 5.
Yeah, I don't know. Each one has is very unique and different.
Absolutely amazing place to visit. I really want to come back. I'd like to come back and I'd like to hike between some of the places, spend a bit more time just absorbing the cities, or the villages, should I say. Do some swimming, do some boating, maybe kayak between 2 places, or paddleboard. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that would be amazing.
This has been a good preview.
Yeah.
But I'm almost certain, we always say everywhere we go, we'd like to come back. But
yeah,
this place, I think.
Yeah, but this is particular. We should go back. It's
come back in September or maybe even October when it's a little bit cooler and there's a little bit less tourists.
Yeah.
And you can really enjoy it. We found our way through. It's almost like it's even more extreme than Venice, I think, as far as walking through a 14th century city or something, you know what I mean? There's loads of little alleys. You can traverse the whole city or town quite easily by foot and pass everyone's front door as you go there, because everything is just small alleyways, even like this. Anyway, I think we're about to get to the train station where your parents are.
Yeah.
And then we can probably finish the day because it's getting late.
As I present to you my drone shots of Riomaggiore, I want to say that our visit to Cinque Terre was an absolutely unforgettable experience that we will cherish for a lifetime. The whole day was sensational, and I mean sensational in that there were beautiful sights, delightful experiences, an undeniable charm throughout every single village. It was really a full-on day for all of the senses, and we could not recommend visiting Cinque Terre any more than we currently do. A fantastic day, an unforgettable experience, a beautiful place.
End of the day.
That was Cinque Terre, a phenomenal day.
Yeah.
We're now in La Spezia, about to take our car and drive home.
And drive back to Pisa, where we are located.
Drive back to Pisa. We are knackered. That was a great day.
Yeah, we died, but
it was well worth it.
Yeah, it was so cool. Everything was amazing.
Definitely once in a lifetime, but as we've already said, hopefully twice in a lifetime. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you were inspired to maybe go to Cinque Terre yourself. What did you think about the place? Let us know in the comments below. If you've been, or if you've not been, or if you plan on going, we'd love to hear all that feedback.
If you enjoyed it and watch it till the end, please subscribe and press the like button. Will really help out.
Yeah, it really does help out. So
yeah, comments below, anything or just whatever. we will be very happy.
A few more videos of Italy coming up, and we'll see you in those ones.